Hello and welcome to Robinhood Traders. In this video, guys, I want to show you how to buy your first tokens on Robinhood Chain. If you don't know what we're talking about here, you might want to watch the first video or the video before this where I introduce you to Robinhood Chain, how it works, how to create your first MetaMask wallet, and which platforms we use to trading. So this time around, I just want to show you guys how to actually buy or to trade, to make your first trade on Robinhood Chain. So by now you have a MetaMask wallet. I'm going to pop mine up here. And then I also have GMGN. I prefer to use this interface in this video because it's the most advanced out there and it's free to use. You just have to basically fund it. So I created a wallet already. And if you go into GMGN, you see that mostly it's by default on Solana network right here. But you can also see sometimes it's on BSC or Binance blockchain. So what I like to do is I would click there and switch from that network to Robinhood Chain because that's where I want to trade. And then if I go back to my wallet over here, you can see I have no balance. The value or the network token of the currency of Robinhood Chain is Ethereum, but on Robinhood Chain. So if you remember the last video, I used MetaMask to swap some Ethereum into Ethereum BAT on Robinhood Chain. So I will move some of that Ethereum on Robinhood to my GMGN trading platform. By the way, for you to get onto GMGN, use our link in the description of this video below. You get discount in trading fees and so on. So I'll click on here, Robinhood, boom, and then I'll click on the wallet and click on deposit, and it will give me a wallet address where I can send funds over. So I'll say click copy address. Then I'll go into my MetaMask wallet. And inside your MetaMask wallet, you notice it might be showing you balances of your Ethereum based or different kind of chains that you might be confused at, okay, which kind of Ethereum exactly am I sending? So make sure you're sending the Ethereum that has the Robinhood icon on it. You can see it on my screen here. Or to keep it cleaner, you can actually click on all default networks right here and choose Robinhood Chain. It's going to remove all the other chains balances and just keep it Robinhood. So I will click on here. I want to send just a small amount, let's say $5 or something. $5 to my Robinhood Chain account on GMGN. And boom, the transaction has been sent. And shortly, I should see that balance on here because this network is very fast. Look, it just happened already. I now have a 0.003 on Ethereum. So let's attempt to buy something. What can we buy here? Cash Cat is the most popular meme on Robinhood, right? So we're just going to have fun and buy some of it. So let's say I want to buy 0. I don't know what's the minimum amount on Robinhood Chain on here. Let's see if this works out. My balance is 0.003. It's probably too small. And I want to spend 0.002. Okay, so let's say low ETH. Okay, yeah, low balance, please top up. I would just buy 0.002, $3 something, and boom, it worked. Okay, so here I bought 0.002 worth of Ethereum for Cash Cat token. Now, if I go back to my wallet, you to my portfolio right here, you'll now be able to see that I have Cash Cat right here in my wallet. And it shows me at what market cap did I buy it. I bought it when it was at $77 million market cap. I haven't sold any, and I have the balance of $3. I'm currently at a loss of 3.3% because the market is always moving up and down, and it's a meme coin, so it's very volatile. And my holding duration here. So this is a very good system for trading, or a good platform for trading, because it helps you to keep track of things. When you buy something, you'll be able to see maybe you've been holding it for 2 weeks or for months. It's very, very good for managing your portfolio. So that's why I like GMGN. So that's basically it. By simply doing that, you have made your first transaction. And if you want to be practical with these things, you have to be doing it. So watching is not enough. You have to be proactive and actually practice to get used to it. And then in the next few videos, I'll be showing you guys how to consolidate your wallets, to distribute, to convert, a lot more advanced skills when it comes to on-chain trading. And you're going to love it because it's so much fun. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Stay awesome.